Hello, it's Michael from Men's Finest. And this video is a bit different because I have just recorded an intro to my new video series. And why do I want to do a video series? Because I think we should be right now watching less of Netflix and spend more time on these things to make sure that we capitalize on this absolutely amazing opportunity that the coronavirus gave us, which is we're staying home and we've got plenty of time on our hands, which normally would be filled with meetings, appointments, and stuff. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I grow my Instagram and how I generate leads. It's not about likes, it's not about shares, it's not about comments. None of that matters unless you generate business. And in this short course that you're going to find the link below, I will teach you on how to do exactly that. So how to get your Instagram and actually start generating leads with it. And I'll give you the formula, I'll give you the scripts, I'll give you exactly step by step of how I've done it and how on earth did I get the best footballers in the world to respond to me, guy sitting in the bedroom sending them DMs. So that's going to be part of the course. The second part of the course is going to be, of course, about LinkedIn. LinkedIn is this most underrated social media that there is right now. I think by many businesses. The more businesses I talk to, the more businesses tell me that they actually don't use LinkedIn at all. And how on earth are you going to generate more leads if you're not going to use one of those things? How do you post? How do you make sure that your post getting seen? There's plenty of things we need to talk about here in this LinkedIn, Instagram, generating leads video series. It's not going to be free. And of course, it makes sense. It's not going to be free because I'm going to be spending loads of times recording this, editing, and making sure it's top-notch content. But that's I can sort of give away for free anyhow. But what I can't give away for free is my time, which is the most valuable assets that anyone has. So also with that in mind, I will be critiquing and advising your profiles, both Instagram and LinkedIn, as part of this course. So you're not only going to have to complete the course, but also I'm going to be telling you what to do step by step if you are in tailoring business, right? How do you generate leads? If you're a barber, how do you generate leads? If you are a car valet guy, how you generate leads? If you are selling ventilators, how are you going to generate leads? If you are business development manager for a coffee shop, how do you generate leads using Instagram and LinkedIn? All of that is going to be done in this video series. Link below. You can start signing up now. The course is going to be open for a little while. We're not going to accept a lot of people on it because simply it's going to be a premium course, and I don't want to have hundreds of people asking me questions. I want to have 20, 30 people, selected few, to be going through the course and then obviously receiving my advice at the end of this and my critique on at the end of this to make sure that content is top notch. Anything else? Nothing apart from the fact that the coat that you see behind me is made for a guy called Roberto Firmino. He obviously is in quarantine or don't go out from the house kind of guy right now, like everyone else. So this coat is waiting for the better times when we actually going to come out of that. But that's a winter coat, so I don't think you're going to be using that anytime soon. But who knows? Who knows? Great. Guys, stay stylish. Don't watch Netflix. Spend this time either with your family or families up to 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Then the family goes to bed and then you dominate. And that's what this course is all about. How, what time is it? It's 8 o'clock and I'm starting recording this course right now. My baby's asleep. My wife is relaxing in the living room. I'm recording this course because I want you to stop watching Netflix and start dominating online because this is the time to do it. Guys, let's do this. Link below, sign up. There will be going to be more videos on this channel, of course. But right now we're focusing completely on content and how to create more of it and how to create better content and how to dominate and what this is about. Click on the link below. It's going to take you to the course sign up page. Do it. See you soon.